Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice. Here we go. Our 5-minute hack starts now. Verbs. Transitive versus intransitive verbs. Do I need to say something after a verb? This hack makes it easy to know when you do. This hack makes it easy to know when you do. Hack explained. Ask what after the verb. If it makes sense, it's transitive, needs an object, needs a thing. If it doesn't, it's intransitive, no object needed. Examples. I made a sandwich. Made what? A sandwich, right? So we need to say something after the verb. The verb is made. It's a transitive verb. So we need to say what was made. In here, a sandwich was made. She bought a new bag. Bought what? We have to say something after bought. So here it is a bag. She bought a bag. We finished the homework. Finished what? We have to say something after finished. Here it is homework. So we finished the homework. He laughed. We understand that. We don't have to say what, right? He laughed. It is intransitive. She cried loudly. We don't need a noun after that, right? Here, this is an adverb, but not a noun. So she cried. That is enough. It is intransitive. Cried is an intransitive verb. I arrived early. Arrived what? Arrived is intransitive, right? We don't need a noun after that. We don't need an object after that. I arrived early. It is intransitive. Arrived is an intransitive verb. Key rule. Key rule. If the verb needs something after it, use an object, right? Made. Made what? Made a sandwich. Bought. Bought what? Bought a bag. Finished. Finished what? Finished homework. If the verb is complete by itself, no object is needed. No object is needed. He laughed. She cried. I arrived. One more time. He laughed. She cried. I arrived. Let's practice these transitive verbs. I made a sandwich. I made a sandwich. I made a sandwich. She bought a new bag. She bought a new bag. She bought a new bag. We finished the homework. We finished the homework. We finished the homework. He laughed. He laughed. He laughed. Intransitive verbs. She cried loudly. She cried loudly. She cried loudly. Loudly is not a thing, right? It's not something you can touch. It's not something you can see. It's not something that you can taste, right? So it is not an object. She arrived early. She arrived early. She arrived early. She arrived early. Early is something you cannot touch. You cannot see it. You cannot taste it. It is intransitive. Arrived is an intransitive verb. Cried is an intransitive verb. Laughed is an intransitive verb. Let's do some quick practice, shall we? We're going to put a T for transitive verb, and we're going to put an I for intransitive verb. You say which one it is. Is it transitive or intransitive? He opened the window. He opened the window. Is that a transitive verb or an intransitive verb? Yes, it's a transitive verb because it needs an object, right? So opened needs an object. What was opened? The window was open. So let's put a T. They danced. They danced. They danced. Is danced a transitive verb or intransitive verb? Danced what? Right. So it's intransitive. It does not take an object. Danced does not take an object, does not take a thing. It is complete, right? We understand they danced. Let's put an I. We found money. We found money. We found money. Is found a transitive verb or intransitive verb? Yes, it's a transitive verb. It needs an object. The object is money. What was found? Money was found. Okay, one more. I sneezed. I sneezed. I sneezed. Is that a transitive verb or intransitive verb? Is sneezed transitive or intransitive? Yes, it's intransitive. It doesn't take an object, right? We understand. I sneezed. Sneezed what? We just sneeze. So it is intransitive. Okay, great job. That was our 5-minute hack. We talked about transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. I had fun. I hope you had fun too. And please don't forget to subscribe and check out my Patreon page. I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. And I have worksheets from my other videos too. So please go to my Patreon. Check out my Patreon, support me there so I can support you here. Also, join the channel, become part of the green team. That would be great. Join my channel, support me so I can support you. Okay, I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.